Razer has released two new gaming headsets to join its 2021 Barracuda X headset. The new Barracuda and Barracuda Pro gaming headsets are priced at $159 and $249, respectively. The two models come with dual wireless connectivity via Bluetooth and a USB-C dongle. The Razer Barracuda and Barracuda Pro are available for US customers. Availability in other markets will follow subsequently. Razer expands its range of Barracuda non-only gaming headphones with two new models, bringing the total of the offer to 3. The already known entry-level Barracuda X are joined by the Barracuda midrange and the top-of-the-range Barracuda Pro. Both new models have some common features, most notably the high-quality 50mm drivers, support for Spatial Audio THX and dual wireless connectivity, but the Barracuda Pro additionally offer active noise cancellation, padded synthetic leather-covered ear cups, bio-cellulose drivers and integrated THX Achromatic Audio Amplifier for even more sonic fidelity superior. The Razer Barracuda and Barracuda Pro gaming headsets are refreshed versions of the Barracuda X and offer an excellent audio output. The USB-C dongle offers wireless connectivity speeds up to 2.4 GHz. The Barracuda Pro model offers active noise cancellation using its beamforming microphones. The Pro model also features THX Achromatic Audio Amplifier at the heart of its high-quality sound output. Unlike the woven fabric in other models, the Barracuda Pro's exquisite leatherette ear pads are very comfortable. Unlike the Barracuda X model with 40mm drivers, the new Razer gaming headsets have 50mm drivers. Razer SmartSwitch Dual Wireless technology enables simultaneous connectivity with two input devices. It also allows a seamless switch between the two devices using touch control. A few products in the market have the capability of playing audio simultaneously from two devices. Razer says the two new headsets are well suited for gaming. Razer also says that the bio-cellulose drivers in the Barracuda Pro reduce harmonic distortion. The other features available in the models will further help to accentuate the gamer's overall audio experience. The Barracuda and Barracuda Pro are available from Razer's official website. While Razer has earned its spot among the greats with its gaming headsets, it still has a lot to prove when it comes to winning over Bose, Beats, or Sony loyalists in the high-end headphone space. I was pleasantly surprised by its 2020 Razer Opus headphones, which offered good build quality and surprisingly good sound for the price. Razer seems to have put even more work into the Barracuda Pro. It opted for bio-cellulose drivers, which the company says can reduce its harmonic distortion, and, with bigger drivers, a dedicated amplifier, and what seem like better controls. My dear friends, I am so grateful to you and appreciate you watching my videos. May our God bless us. Say thank you, God.